Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make talking videos with AI.
Hi, I'm Kim, and yes, I'm AI generated. You can see me talk, move, and express myself like a real professional speaker, but in reality, I'm powered entirely by artificial intelligence.
So how are you going to create this? First, you have to open your Google Chrome browser and then simply come for hizen.com. And then here you will get an option to the left side called create. Don't worry, I will going to show you how you can create account in Hygiene after creating a quick avatar video. So we will going to click on create and then we're going to come over into quick avatar video. If you click on it and then if you just selected this image and make it landscape like this, and now we will click on add script, going to give this script, and then we're going to simply click on generate video. And now if we just close it, and as you can see that our avatar IV video is generated. And now as you can see the avatar video is generated, and now we will going to play. We can now simply listen.
Hi, I'm Kim, and yes, I'm AI generated. You can see me talk, move, and express myself like a real professional speaker, but in reality, I'm powered entirely by artificial intelligence.
So as you can see, it's rightly generated. And now if we just download this video, so I'm going to download it, and as you can see, it's rightly downloaded in my computer.
Hi, I'm Kim.
So now I'm going to show you how you can create account in Hygiene. So first we're going to come over to go search option, and here we can simply search for Hygiene. Click enter. Hygiene over here, it will redirect to into its home page. And now if we click on get started for free, they're recording for email ID. So now if we just create another new tab and search for email on deck, we can get this website. So if you click on it, click on I am human and complete this captcha, and then click on get email. After you will get an email address, you can simply copy it and paste it over here like this and simply click on continue. After they will look for your verification code. For that, if you come over into email on desk, you will get the verification code. You can simply copy it and paste it into over here, and then it will going to be loaded and the registration is completed. And now we will going to select this choose to free, and here you need to set some basics. So I'm going to randomly selecting some basic, and boom, right now you are come over into Hygiene dashboard in a very simple way. Whenever you completed your free limits, simply come over into logout option, simply log out it, and going to generate another new email address, get the verification code, and then log into this enter email option.